Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day because I bought new tools.
How do you like the new tool?
Yeah, it's so cool. This is Hot Tools Professional. This is the smaller size what they have. And this is very important because today I'm gonna do video shoot, photo shoot for my special guest today, and I'm gonna do very curly hair and very fancy look. So watch this video until the end and you're gonna like it. Are you excited?
I am.
Oh my god.
I am. What was your inspiration for the
So I've been in, you know, Chris Appleton hairstylist?
Yeah, you told me before.
Yeah, so he show up this style and I never done it before.
Oh.
Yeah, so you're gonna be first.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
We wanna
I,
see that.
yeah, I promise you're not gonna be bald. So how often you do like photo shoot, video shoot?
Okay, photo shoots I'm doing basically like 3 times a week.
Really? Oh my
Yeah.
god, so this is full-time job.
It is, yeah. A video not that often. I'm not like doing a lot of it. It's gonna be like my probably 3rd or 4th video.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, mostly like photo shoots, but I usually do like my hair, my makeup, everything, all the style by my own.
Uh-huh.
I'm really excited to see how.
Oh, yeah, cool. I'm excited too. I hope I'm not disappointing you.
For sure, it's something really different that I never tried.
Yeah, but did you do like very curly hair before?
No, never.
Oh, yeah, this looks gonna be like very volume and I'm sure you're gonna like it.
Yeah, I'm excited to try like something new that
Mhm.
I never had before.
Yeah, same, because like I mostly do like street fashion style, like very like loose wave, something like very natural, and sometimes I want to do something different. Yeah.
Makeup is like really different too.
Yeah, oh, so what's different?
Like I never do like those kind of eyes, you know, and colors. Usually like I use like very natural makeup, like brown colors, nude palette, and this green. What was the name?
Of what?
Golden green.
Golden green? Yeah.
That's what
It's
that
like, it's a weird name.
Yeah. So I never tried it before, and a lot of highlight.
Oh, how long you're being blogger?
I'm being like 4 years, but full time I would say 2 years. So yeah.
So, do you remember the time when you decided to be a blogger? Like, you say, oh, yeah, I want to do like Instagram, promote yourself, like.
So it was,
How it happened, basically.
yeah, I moved to US like 4 years ago, and I started like blog right away. But I started not from Instagram. I actually have my own website, and I started it together with my best friend, my partner. And the idea of all of this, it was like I was brunette, she was blonde, and we was like best friends, and we wanted to try like, you know, the same trends, but for blonde and for.
You said you was you.
No, we're still like, but we like have 2 separate Instagram accounts. But we still have blog together. But then Instagram grew, and we don't post as much on our blog anymore. So because we're doing Instagram mostly, and we're still like best friends. We're still shooting all the time together. We're having the one photographer, but 2 separate Instagram accounts. So like, yeah, we're like partners. The place that I told you in Soho, we opened it together also. So,
Oh, nice. And how much followers you have now?
197K.
Oh my God, yeah, this is a lot. And how long it's gonna take have this much followers?
But you know, it's like it depends. I would say now it's of course more difficult to grow than it was before because the competition is crazy nowadays. But the more followers you gain, the easier it is. Like, you know, when people go on your page and they see like you have 200K followers, for example, they follow you.
Yeah.
But when they see you have 10K, they're like, why would I like,
Yeah, I always do the same. So you have to be always on trend, like follow the Instagram rules, right?
Yeah.
You know the trends in 2020 is Instagram. What's gonna be new or what's now new?
So videos, like everyone likes videos, and not even edited videos, but you know your daily life.
Mm-hmm.
And
It's like stories or posted
actually
videos.
in feed, yeah, posted in feed as well, because even your looks, like we are posting the picture, right? And you can't even understand how this, like for example, dress looks when you move, right? So
Right.
that's why people want to see videos. They want to see back, front, when you move, when you walk, how the dress gonna look. So that's why videos are more popular, and everyone is saying that real photos without editing. So you remember when was the time everyone was putting those presets, making those pictures like those orange faces,
right,
like
right.
of tan and so on. Now everyone likes iPhone pictures and not edited ones. Yeah, even
no filter, nothing.
Yeah, just like raw files. And even if you post on Instagram, for example, today you're gonna post a picture from a camera, and tomorrow you're gonna post a picture from iPhone. You're gonna see that iPhone picture gonna get so much more reach and impressions. It's gonna perform so much better than a professional one.
Right.
Yeah, so that's like the biggest trend from 2020.
So this is very interesting, yeah, because like so for now I'm gonna open these tools and I really enjoying this process. I'm gonna do curly hair. I never done it before. It's gonna be first time, and the tools what I'm gonna use. So this one very important because it makes shape perfect. You need to get it for sure. These brushes. This is Tingle Teaser, and this is like basic one. So you can decide whatever you like. So I like in a while ago I started to use one, and honestly I like it. But I will show you both how it works. This is like effects a little bit different, and this is my old guy. I used to work with this brush like I think 10 years. And yeah, it's helped me like with everything. And this like you also need, but this is like for divide section, no, also necessary, and styling.
What if I want to do it by myself?
So when you do like this part, so you should do like this. Okay. When you do this, you should change your hand position. And styling. This is very important. I like to use a lot of products. This one, dry texturizing spray with Canra, one of my favorite one. It makes hair like thicker, you know. Also, I like hairspray. This is like Sebastian's brand. This is two different hairspray. One is like hold control, and one of them is extra hold. So I don't really like use extra hold because I like to see natural hair, just a little bit like in like zipper section.
А потом говоришь, что так плохо видео, ты уже 5 минут базаришь.
Заткнись. Можно потише?
А еще раз, Саша, прав.
So this is shine spray. Honestly, I never used it before, but after masterclass with Chris Appleton, he showed up how to use this product, and the result is amazing. So this is very important too. Why I use this tool? Because I need to lose the volume here, and here I need to add more, and like especially this part from the front, it have to look more, you know, and like it's gonna be very right shape. And here you have to be like without, because we do on the side. We had extensions, but this looks like
Real.
yeah. So that's it. Let's do photo shoot.
Yes. Let's do it.
Honestly, this is so fucking cool.
Actually, I thought I would be freezed, but everything went so smooth. I
Yeah.
absolutely loved my new style.
Yeah. So, but this is like what celebrity doing. Extension is everything.
Yes.
Yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. Like, gonna be more interesting.
For sure.
For sure. Okay.
Смешно, да, мы сняли?